Hi, hello friends. Good evening. Friends, again, as shown in the morning, I'm showing some beautiful coral pieces with Nakshi work pendants. So these are actually very limited pieces only. So first come first serve. Every piece is really unique. మీకు అంత different alignment తో ఇచ్చేసాము. So first let me show this beautiful set. This is with a pearl, 8-line pearl అండి ఇది మీకు వచ్చేది. Here is a beautiful Nakshi work pendant with our Lakshmi idol. A nice pearl set with 8-line pearl and ikkada. This is actually 8-line pearl designery chain తో వచ్చేసింది like this. And this is of length 20 to 24 inches in length with a beautiful ear top. This will be the beautiful ear top for this Nakshi work pendant. And the price tag you're getting on discount sale because I just got 2 pieces. I think one piece so only one piece is available. 2650 free shipping. It's a beautiful set and heavy set. 2650 free shipping. This is the backup part of the pendant. Premium quality Nakshi finishing item. 2650 free shipping with 8-liner pearl, each side 8-liner, so altogether you get 16 lines both the sides together. And next I'll show you another beautiful set with completely with corals. This is a heavy long neck piece. This is a long neck piece, so nearly you get around 26 to 28 inches. Of course this can be also extended based on the order. 2899. This is actually detachable pendant. So you can see the hook over here. ఇక్కడ హుక్ ఉంటుందండి, ఎవరికైనా కావాలంటే డిటాచ్ చేసి యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు పెండెంట్ సపరేట్గా, బికాస్ ఎట్ ద బ్యాక్ యూ గెట్ దిస్ pendant also, bigger size hook also for you to attach in a different item. So this is a detachable pendant with a chain. You can just remove this hook and you can use it for something else also. And for this is a beautiful ear top with Lakshmi droplet. Push back, premium quality Nakshi work. So here is the item. A beautiful well designed carved piece, all with nice corals and pearls combination. It's a beautiful set. It's only for 2899 free shipping because you can see the length. This coral chain normally only 18 inches. We are getting the coral chain for 1500 andi, but then this is actually of 24 to 28 inches in length and with the Nakshi pendant. So you're getting for the best deal price. This is also very limited. I think I got only 2 pieces in stock. Only 2 pieces. And next is this beautiful again Nakshi work pendant with a different type of coral model. It's only for 2099 free shipping. So this is with Lakshmi idol again. ఇక్కడ మాప్స్ కూడా లక్ష్మీ ఐడల్ లాగా వచ్చేసింది, ఎక్స్ట్రా యాడ్ ఆన్ లాగా. అగైన్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ డిటాచబుల్ పెండెంట్, బట్ దెన్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద బ్యాక్ సైడ్ హుక్. If in case you want to attach this pendant to a different one, yes, you can remove this hook and you can attach it to a different beads also. That's up to you. It's actually chain model and this is like a chain model with designery coral. You can see the coral, it's all designery. Nice chain model. You get like this. And this is a beautiful ear top for this. Again the same 2099 free shipping. It's a detachable pendant as been told. Detachable pendant. So this is the one. It looks like this. Nice trending model. And next in the same ranges I have another beautiful designer piece. So this is also in coral only, but then all these are designery coral models. You can see with Balaji idol. This is again detachable with a bigger size hook and this is only one piece I have in stock. So this is a Balaji model and this coral is of different shape and this is all designery coral and pouch model la vachesindi. And again this is also 18 to 20 inches in length. ఈవెన్ somebody wants this to be made in 30 inches ఆల్సో మేక్ చేసిస్తాము ఆర్డర్ బేసిస్ మీద. ఇది మీకు 30 inches కావాలన్నా కూడా ఈ కోరల్ మోడల్ని మేక్ చేసిస్తాము. కోరల్ చైన్ సపరేట్గా కావాలన్నా కూడా ఇస్తాము, బట్ దెన్ యూ గెట్ బెనిఫిటెడ్ వెన్ యూ బై యాజ్ ఎ కంప్లీట్ సెట్. $20.99 free shipping. It's a best deal price what you're getting on these items. As we got 1-2 pieces only in stock, we're giving on deal price. So this is another beautiful one. And then I have some beautiful jhumkas to be shown. So here is a beautiful jhumka with kampu, push back ear tops, heavy, nice, beautiful semi-precious jhumka. You can see this jhumka is all over with nice, beautiful semi-precious beads. Heavy jhumkas with completely ankats and kempu. The back part is like this, and this is of pricing you 1150 rupees only. $1150 and because of this kempu jhumkas, and it's actually bigger size jhumka and also with the great alignment of semi-precious beads. Idanta extra add-on andi. Meeku ikkada pearl vachedi, you get this pearl in 2 layers. It's not a single layer, you get this in 2 layers. So here is the one, nice bigger size one, only for 1150 plus 50 rupees is the shipping charges. Nice big size heavy set. And then I just got Guttapusalu one last piece, so I'm giving on deal price. So it's actually 2150 free shipping andi. I'm sorry, 2050 free shipping. We are giving on deal price only for 2000 free shipping. It's only the deal price for 2 days, next 2 days. So 2050. So 2000 free shipping, it's again a deal price. So these are all mostly single pieces andi. So first come first serve, everkana kavalante as soon as possible, please do book your orders. If somebody wanted to look at the finishing of the item, here is the finishing, matte finishing with semi-precious beads, and this is the back part of the item. We really got great demand for these Guttapusalu, but then one last piece available andi, kavalsina vallu book chesukochu. And one last piece I'm showing you, it's only for $14.99 free shipping andi, with a beautiful crystal chain and big size ankat pendant with the ear top. It's only for $14.99 free shipping. So I think that's all is for today, friends. Catch you tomorrow with the best video. Thank you so much. So here is the price tag, $14.99 free shipping. Nice premium quality. It's a single piece available, premium quality pendant with crystal chain with Mona Lisa beads andi. Single line black crystal chain idi with a beautiful ear top. $14.99 free shipping. All right, bye bye.